Sometime Kev dropping in a little place called Jefferson. It's on the, basically it's on the river where the Stones River West and East Fork meet. And they make a pretty good river, which feeds Percy Priest Dam. So J. Percy Priest Reservoir. I believe they started building it in 64, started flooding it in 68, and finished in about 11 months later. But it's a 14,200 square acre lake. Maybe 102, 112 miles of shoreline. Great crappie fishing, bass fishing, smallmouth, largemouth, spotted largemouth. Average depth is around 25 feet. It does drop down to 60, 70 feet in some areas. But this is it. Great place to drop in. Since there's nobody here, oh no, come on, open up. Since there's nobody here, we're just gonna back down on the ramp and get this puppy ready to put in the water. This is I'll give you a rundown on this ski. This is a 2018 Yamaha FX HO Cruiser Edition with Summertime Kev modifications, obviously. I haven't run down the ski yet, but this ski is it's a 62. This is a 62.5 mile an hour ski, which is not fast on the water. Well, comparatively speaking to the rest of my friends. But this runs on 87 octane, and I can go 100 miles on a tank of gas. Some of the cool things it has. LED installation here. LED installation here, red and green, starboard port. Additional, it's got speakers. It's got a Garmin fish finder GPS that I hook on it sometimes. Instrument panel, fully lit up instrument panel. This one it's got UPS, USB ports in there, 2.5 amps that I put in. Not a lot this thing don't have. GoPro mount on the front. Summertime Kev is getting ready. Alrighty, catch you later.